hi, hello, my name's Alexis, and we are going to play with some new stuff today. I have lots of new stuff, not like a full face of new stuff, but some new stuff, and not new in the sense that like these some of them have just recently come out, some things have not. So also ignore my baby hairs here, I don't know what they're doing. So we're just going to put new stuff on and chit chat while we're doing it. The first thing I'm going to use, and why we're starting with the cancel culture talk, is from Tarte. This is the Quench Hydrating Primer. You may remember that a while ago during the Shape Tape. See, I've never even used this. It still has the little, and the cat is on the scratching post. Still has the, what is this called? Foil. It still has the foil on it. So back when the Shape Tape fiasco happened, when they came out with the foundation, and there was only like 20 shades of white, I was like, I'm not gonna support Tarte anymore. They're canceled. I didn't say that, but still. But I was like, I'm not gonna support Tarte anymore. They don't deserve my support, blah, 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 whatever. Okay, I have since grown and matured since then. And I realized that if I, or anyone, were to cancel, ooh, this is nice and cold, were to cancel every brand that had like a scandal or like did something wrong or whatever, we wouldn't have any makeup to use. We wouldn't have any brands. So I was like, you know what? They fucked up. I think they've come out with more shades since then. So I'm just gonna use it. I'm just gonna use the Tarte stuff. And then also, for my job, I work at Sephora. I get stuff from Tarte for educational purposes. I have to be able to speak to the products in order to sell them to people who are asking for them or whatever. So I have to be able to speak to the products. So like I can't really like cancel all of these brands because for my own job I need to be able to speak to these brands. Does that make sense? Are we all on the same page here? So if you see something where if in the past I'm like, they're canceled, I'm not gonna use this, I don't care. I don't care anymore. Because like I said, if we were to cancel every brand that had a scandal, we wouldn't have any brands to use. For foundation, I have the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. I've never tried this before. I've never used this before. But Smashbox gave this to us, so thank you, Smashbox. So I'm gonna try it out, especially because it is winter, I have seasonal eczema, and it's now starting on my face. The foundation won't come out of the bottle. There we go. There we go. I have this in the shade 2.18. Oh, I need a mirror because I can't see what I'm doing. Just use this tiny one for now. Oh, she dark. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. That's way too dark. Wow, that's significantly dark. I'm gonna come back to you with that because I cannot wear this. Okay, I've re-primed and I found another foundation that I haven't used. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. After I just said that my skin is dry, I'm gonna put a matte foundation on. Because this is my life, apparently. I can't believe how dark that was. I will never be tan enough to wear that foundation. But I think this will be better. I hope. I pray. Alright, how's that now? Now I'm afraid to look. All the cats are trying to sit with me. Mummy, you cannot sit with me right now. Okay, that's better. That's better. Okay. Oh boy. I can't believe how dark that was. But this color is better. It's too yellow. Or is it pink? It doesn't look right either. None of this looks right. You know what? I'm not going to take it off. I'm just going to keep putting it on and hope for the best once I get all the rest of my makeup on. Oh boy. Did I say Makeup Forever gave this to me? Makeup Forever gave this to me. Okay, that's on. It doesn't look bad. Like, I like how my skin looks with it. It's just not a good color for me. I didn't have a new concealer, so I'm just gonna use the one I've been using. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Nude. I'm just gonna, and I like barely use this. Like I don't paint it on or anything. I just put some dots and move on. Okay, concealer on. I need a bigger mirror, so I'm gonna have to open my palette that I'm gonna use. So I have two colors from the Fenty, the new powders. I got Banana and I got Lavender. I got the Lavender purely because I was curious about it. So I'm going to use that for like under my eyes, and then I'm going to use the Banana for the rest of my face. On the Sephora website, there's like when you scroll through the pictures, there's a picture that is like, oh, if you're in the 100s, you would use Lavender to highlight, and then whatever the one next to Lavender is, I think Butter, to set your face. And then if you're in the 200s, you would use Banana to highlight, and like Hazelnut or whatever the one next to Banana is, to set your face. And I was like, that seems a little dark. Like it looked a little dark on the website. So I'm just opening the Lavender. So I got to work and I looked at them. This is so noisy. I looked at them in person and I was like, because the shade that they wanted me to use, because I wear 210 in Fenty, looked really dark. And I was like, there's no way I can set my, like, I know it's supposed to be translucent, but like, there was no way I could set my face with that. Like, it looked insane. So I think if you're kind of at the end of the hundreds, like I'm 210, I could get away with using the Banana shade to set my face rather than the Hazelnut or whatever it was. Cashew, I think it was actually Cashew. So, and then if you're on the other end, the deeper end, you might want the darker color. So I would say if you're looking at the powders and you're kind of not smack in the middle of whatever 100 bracket you're in, you might want to go in and look at the powders. Because that shade that it wanted me to get for being in the 200s was way too dark for me. So I'm going to take the Lavender and my brush somewhere. Oh, I'm just throwing stuff everywhere. I'm just going to set under my eyes with that. Okay, I don't know if it looks any brighter. Or if it looks really any different than like if I were to use my Laura Mercier powder. It doesn't look any different to me. Okay. Maybe if you were lighter than me, I was gonna say, but even that doesn't even seem to make sense. The cat's in the litter box. I don't know. So that was Lavender. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with the Banana. The powder looks nice. I look really smooth. That's fine, I guess. The Lavender, I'm not really sure about. Okay, for brows, these aren't new. They're new colors, really. Where's the other one? Where's the other? Okay. So I have, because I went blonde, I've been experimenting with my brows a bit, like what all colors I can get away with. So I tried this at work one day and I liked it. This is Caramel, the Brow Wiz. So I'm gonna put this in. So this I've done before. What I have not done before is put this on top of it. This is the Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel from Hourglass. My cat is just being like a toddler right now. This is in Warm Blonde, so I usually put that on top of like a darker brow pencil to kind of lighten it up a little bit. And now she's crying. Just to lighten it up a little bit. And I can't get the palette open because I'm trying to open it the wrong way. So, what was I saying? So I'll do that and that works fine. So what I'm gonna try and do is just put that on top of this warm brow pencil and make warm brows that go with the blonde. Does that make sense? I hope so. Anyways, I'm just gonna fill in my brows. Okay, so I did my brows. Hi, Mummy. I primed my eyes. I just used my NARS Pro Prime because I didn't have anything new to use. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Smashbox LA Cover Shop palette. I bought this for myself for my birthday. It's beautiful. I love these over here, but I have to go to school tonight, so let's not look crazy. I think I'm going to use this quad here. These, like, I don't know how to describe these colors. Because they're not, it's not warm like this quad is. This quad is. But it's not cool like this quad is. I guess it's kind of in the middle. I guess, I don't know. We're going to do that. Or I think I'm just going to bounce around. I don't know what I'm going to do. Alright, so I'm going to use this brown shade right here, which I think is Almond. Sure. And use that as a... I think I'm just going to do like an easy like 2 shadow look. Because at this rate, I'm having a lot of technical difficulties. So I just want to do something easy. So I'm just chucking this in my crease. Nothing too fancy there. It does have, you can't see that, some kickback. Does not bother me at all whatsoever. I literally do not care. And then I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Rose Bowler, right? Sure, I guess. And just put that on the lid. Actually, no, just kidding. I'm going to take the one next to it, which is Canyon Copper, and put that on the lid. Just going to press this all over. I like the Smashbox shadows. They have a good formula. So pressing this all over. A little bit into my crease. And then take my blending brush again and blend it. And now my camera's dying. Cool. Alright. Just like that. And then I'm just going to go back into, where'd it go? Into the brown that I used and just put that on the lower lash line. And just bring that all the way across. Yeah. I don't want to do anything too crazy. I have to go to school, she says as she does a smoky eye. Whatever. Alright, and give that a blend. And then I'm going to take the Rose Bowler and highlight the inner corner with that. Yeah. And then I'm going to take the shimmery shade from this one, which is Venice Peach. That's funny. And highlight my brow bone with that. Because why not? Ooh, I really like that. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. I really like that. Next up I'm going to do off camera. This comes with one of their liners, the Always On, what is it called? Always On gel liner in Fishnet, so I'm just going to use that because it's in the palette because I didn't have another new liner. So I'm going to use this. And then for mascara, I've had this for a while, I just haven't actually used it. This is the Sephora Collection LashCraft Big Volume. I think this is supposed to be like the Better Than Sex dupe for it. I don't know. But so I'm going to do this and then I'll be back. Okay, finished my eyes. My lashes are just completely clumped together, so that's great. I did my bronzer, blush, highlight, contour, because all of that is the same stuff that I always use. I didn't have anything new there, so we can just skip right onto the lip. I have the Fenty, what are these called? Stunna Lip Paint. Can you believe I've never worn this? I've never tried any of these. So I'm going to put this one on. This one is uncuffed. Somebody's running. I love this color. This is my kind of color. It feels nice. It's not all the way dry yet. Do these even dry down all the way? I'm not sure. Okay, last thing, I have a setting spray. This is the Lancome Fix It, Forget It 24-hour makeup setting mist with plant extracts. All right. So, I don't know. You don't know if a setting spray is going to work until like the end of the day. So yeah, this is the finished look. My skin looks really dry. Like, I know it's a matte foundation and, you know, I kind of expected it to, but yeah, my skin looks really dry. I can't wear this during this time where my skin is in need. Somebody's running again. This lip, I love the color. This is my kind of color. The ring light, you can really see my highlight. Eyeshadow's fantastic. I like this brow combination that I've done. I don't know. It doesn't really look that much different than my other brows, like my regular brows, but okay. So the foundation I definitely cannot wear during this time because it's too dry, and also, wow, that's definitely not my color, but you know, I'll wear a turtleneck today. You won't even be able to tell. I don't like this mascara. My poor lashes are just like stuck together. Oh, could it be the powder too? Maybe the powder is making me look more dry. I don't know, I'll have to try the powder with other like foundations that I know work well for me and try that out. The lavender I don't think did anything. So I think I might take the lavender back because that didn't really, I feel like that did nothing. It didn't brighten or anything. I don't know. So the powders I'll have to test out more. The eyeshadows I'm definitely gonna play with more. I really want to use these colors over here. Mascara, no. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching me struggle. I had a lot of struggles today. Wow. But I'm not as blind as I was with my last video. So that's because the ring light's further away. But yeah, so this is the look. And that's all I got. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!